Hello, today we will guide you through how to import a JSON file into make.com. To begin, open make.com and go to your main dashboard. This is where you can create and manage your automation scenarios. If you are already signed in, you should land here right away. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account or team environment. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario setup area where you can either build an automation from scratch or bring in an existing blueprint. In this case, we will be importing a JSON file, which is often used to load a pre-built scenario configuration quickly and accurately. After the new scenario screen appears, move your attention again to the top right area and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains extra actions related to the scenario setup. If you do not see it immediately, pause for a second and scan the upper corner carefully, since this option can be easy to miss on a busy interface. From that menu, select Import Blueprint. This tells make.com that instead of building the scenario manually, you want to upload an existing blueprint file. A blueprint is essentially a saved structure of a scenario, and importing it can save a lot of time when setting up workflows. Next, click Choose JSON Blueprint. This will open your computer's file browser so you can locate the JSON file you want to upload. Make sure the file you select is the correct one and that it is saved in an easy-to-find folder before starting. That can make this step smoother and help avoid selecting the wrong file by mistake. Now import the sample JSON file by selecting it from your device. Once chosen, make.com should recognize the file and prepare it for upload. At this stage, it is a good idea to quickly confirm that the selected file is the intended blueprint, especially if you work with multiple versions. When everything looks correct, click Import Blueprint to complete the process. Make.com will then load the JSON blueprint into the scenario editor. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, this may take a few moments. After the import finishes, you can review the scenario inside the editor to make sure everything appears as expected. And that's it. You've successfully imported a JSON file into make.com.